Hi, my name is Dr. Brian Witt, and I'm the owner of Terrace Smiles Dentistry. Welcome to our practice. Thanks for choosing us. So, many people wear dentures in this country, and unfortunately, most people leave them in a drawer. Are you one of those people? You can't chew with them, you'd rather just not use them. They move around, they don't stay in place. We have a solution for you. One of the great solutions on having dentures and getting your smile back is to be able to do implant dentures. Implants are a wonderful opportunity for people because when we place an implant, we can secure your dentures and you can eat anything you want. Wouldn't you like to go to the restaurant and not have to worry about what your dentures can chew? You go to the restaurant, you order what you want, and you eat with confidence and not worry about it. Smile with confidence, eat with confidence. That's what an implant denture can do for you.
Hi, my name is Sandy, and I first started coming to Dr. Witt in 2010. I had, my situation to me was extremely devastating to me personally because I had always had wonderful teeth, had always taken very, very excellent care of my teeth, and was always told that my teeth would last me my whole life if I continued to take such good care of them. But then I developed some kind of infection in my teeth that nobody, no dentist, no specialist. I went to the University of Florida to be tested. They couldn't figure out what was wrong. At USF Medical Center, they couldn't. I went to specialist after specialist. They go, I don't know, can't figure out what happened. And because it was so devastating to me to hear that I was going to lose my teeth, it really kind of knocked me for a loop. And it turns out I had to get all of my teeth extracted because they were falling out anyway. I mean, seriously, they just started crumpling and falling out. And I was not happy with the dentist that had extracted my teeth and built my first set of dentures. And I said, I've got to find somebody that can make a product for me that makes me happy. This is life affecting. It's in your job, in your personal life. I couldn't smile, I couldn't eat, it was difficult to talk. Very devastating, and I use that word a lot. And so I finally said, I've got to find me somebody, some dentist that knows what I want and knows what I need. I found Dr. Witt online. I just hunted a doctor in the Temple Terrace area, and there was Dr. Witt, and I read all of his information on site and made an appointment. From the minute I walked into this office, I have been treated like royalty since the minute I first walked in here. The staff is so professional. They're so helpful and kind. I mean, it was never a bad experience coming here. Immediately, Dr. Witt knew what I wanted. He knew also what I needed, which is extremely important because some things I just didn't know that I would need them until without his expertise. Immediately, he said, oh no, those dentures you've got now, nope, we got to fix those. That day, he took all my measurements and made me a new set of temporary dentures. And then what I wanted, and he concurred, I wanted dental implants for my teeth. I had never even thought about having dentures, but the little bit of experience that I'd had with them so far, it was just something I could not live with. I couldn't live with the dentures. There was no eating, no smiling, no talking. It affected me in my life to the extent that I didn't even want to go outside my home. Didn't want to go to dinner with friends because I couldn't eat. So anyway, he made me new dentures that day, and they fit so beautifully and look so good. And just that one step improved my quality of life so much. We immediately, we did choose to go with the dental implants, and that's where there are posts drilled into your lower gum and your upper gum, and then Castromate and all sorts of other actions are taken. So when you get the denture, they snap in they snap in. So there's never a danger of them slipping or falling out. For those of you that are lucky enough to not be aware, dentures really, really hurt if they're loose or they're moving. It's so painful. And once you get like a little sore spot on your gum, it's days and days before that heals up. And you just don't even want to wear your dentures. So we started the process, had all the, it is surgery to have the post implanted into the bone in your jaw. And all that was done right here in Dr. Witt's office, incredibly patient and kind. And what I love too about him is he is probably a bigger perfectionist than I am, and that's saying a lot. And it's a process that takes about 18 months when you're newly toothless, when your teeth have been extracted. If you have been without teeth for a long time, then it does not take that long period of time. So I had to keep going through phases where as my your gums shrink without the teeth in them, when I finally got to see the finished product, it just was so life-changing. The dentures snap in, bottom and top, and you never have to worry about them. They are removable. I can remove them to brush them and keep, of course, because you still want to have good hygiene in your mouth. So you scrub them. You also have all the products which you may know about where you can soak them overnight. And even still to this day, I still come and get my teeth cleaned, and the gums and the posts have to be, you have to take care of those also, just like teeth, because tartar does build up around them. But it's just the beauty of going out and knowing that my teeth look good. I have been going through the grocery store line, and the cashier, whoa, look at that beautiful smile. Honestly, I'd always gotten a lot of compliments on my teeth, and that's probably why my circumstance affected me so. But now, thanks to Dr. Witt, I still get compliments on my teeth. Something else that really is wonderful, there's a lot of wonderful things about the dental implants, and the advantages are you do not have to use polygrip. You use no adhesive, because it's from a perfectly practical standpoint, that is messy stuff. I mean, it is awful. It tastes terrible. It gets all over everything. It stops up your bathroom sink. It's awful. So I don't have to use that at all. I can eat anything. I mean, anything. Corn on the cob. I couldn't wait to have a big old juicy steak. You can eat raw carrots. It's just like your real teeth. It's just remarkable. I'm so happy. I cannot say enough good things about Dr. Witt, his entire staff, just for their professionalism and the way they treat you like royalty. And it's a commitment to have the dental implants, not only a time commitment to go through the steps, but also a financial commitment. So I needed a team that would feel the same sense of urgency and the same sense of importance to my problem as I had. And I found that here with Dr. Witt and his staff. It's a beautiful thing. It seriously is a beautiful thing. And I tell everybody, oh, I've got this dentist, he's wonderful. I stop him on the street, go see Dr. Witt. He absolutely is amazing, and if this catastrophe ever should fall on you, I would hate that for you, but come see Dr. Witt.